What if a simple delivery delay shut down your entire business? Could you recover all your lost profits? This case sets one of the most important rules in contract law. It answers a big question: how far does liability really go? Even today, courts use this rule to decide millions in damages. It's all about what was foreseeable. Our story begins in England in 1854. A mill owner and a delivery company end up in court. The plaintiffs ran a flour mill in Gloucester. The defendants were carriers hired to transport goods. Everything seemed routine, just a shipment job. But one broken machine changed everything. The mill's crankshaft broke. Without it, the entire mill shut down. The owners needed a new shaft made. So they shipped the broken one to engineers as a model. They told the carrier the mill was stopped, and that the shipment needed to go immediately. The carrier promised next day delivery. But due to negligence, the delivery was delayed. Because of the delay, the mill stayed closed longer, and the owners lost profits for several days. So here's the key question: is the carrier responsible for those lost profits? Even if they didn't know how critical that shipment really was. That's what the court had to decide. The court said, not all damages are recoverable. Only those that are reasonably foreseeable. They created a two-part test. First, damages that arise naturally from the breach. Second, damages from special circumstances, but only if those were clearly communicated. Here, the carrier only knew the shaft was broken. They didn't know the entire mill depended on it. For all they knew, the mill could have had a backup. Or the delay might not have mattered much. So the court ruled for the carrier. The lost profits were too remote to recover. Here's the big rule: damages must be foreseeable at the time of contracting. If there are special risks, you must communicate them. Otherwise, you can't recover those extra losses. This rule shapes modern contract law everywhere, from shipping delays to business deals. It also creates fairness. Parties can price risk, or walk away, if they know it up front. And it encourages transparency. If something is critical, you need to say it clearly. Hadley versus Baxendale teaches one simple lesson: you can only recover damages that were foreseeable. If you have special circumstances, speak up early. Because in contract law, silence can cost you everything.